Yo, what's good? This my final review on Self Lender. I already finished, finished my time with them. I only signed up for the 1 year thing with them. So if you're thinking about signing up with them, these are some tips from somebody who actually did it and finished it. So, um, I gave Self Lender a thumbs up while I was still, midway through with them. So, and now that I'm done, I still give them a thumbs up. I just have some tips, some things that I learned while I was now that I finished the whole thing and I'm pretty much done with it. I didn't even keep the account open. I closed it out. So a couple of tips for any new people that want to sign up. So tip number one, your credit, you get rated on your credit for how long you keep your accounts open. So Self Lender gives you the option of they give you the option of keeping the account open for 1 year with the $48 plan and up, 150 whatever $100 plan open for 1 year. And when I first signed up, I didn't think I had it in me to keep the account open longer than a year. I thought that stuff, life happens, you lose your job and all of that, and so that's why I didn't want to do over a year. So I found out, I found this out midway through that, or actually towards the end, that you get like basically like graded, like a grade for how long you can keep your accounts open, and 5 years is like A plus, you know what I mean, and 2 years is like best. At 2 years, keeping an account open for 2 years is bare minimum. So if you're going to sign up, my suggestion to you is sign up for the 2 year plan with the $25. Or if you think you good, and I mean you got the money. Well, most people that are doing this don't have credit. So I suggest start slow and steady. I would do the 2 year plan for the $25, only because 2 year minimum, that that's like the minimum requirement, like 2 years. And I'm saying this based off of Credit Sesame. Y'all can go download Credit Sesame to, just like Credit Karma, and you will see how they break down your credit score. And one of the breakdowns is how long you keep your accounts open. So, and 2 years is bare minimum. And at 2 years, you're up to a D plus, or D, a D grade. And 5 years, they grade you a A. They give you an A grade for 5 years and up. So Self Lender was actually, it was good. I liked how they reported, how they was reporting on my credit report, and they were really good with that, and I liked it. Um, and they do give you the option of, to keep your accounts open after the time is up. I suggest that you do keep your accounts open, because it's actually, they're actually really good with reporting. So that's basically what you're signing up for when you're doing that in the first place. But when I first did it, I didn't think I had it in me to keep it, to keep something open that long, and I thought I would mess up, but I actually didn't. I kept going. I kept it, I kept up with my payments and all of that. And even if you don't pay on time, they report it as if, like if you did pay on time. So that's actually a good thing with that. And what else? When I closed my account, it made my credit score drop a little bit, because I closed the account. So if you don't, I mean, it really wasn't a big drop or anything. It wasn't nothing detrimental or anything like that. It was cool. So um, that's just my suggestion. My suggestion is, keep your accounts open, and just, it's money that you get back at the end of the day. So I wouldn't worry about that. Um, but for any new starters, and you think you're not that good with money and all of that, at bare minimum, my suggestion would be to just open up the 2-year account, $25, and good luck with that. Keep your credit score going up, and just holler at me, man. Any questions y'all have, I'll answer them. I'll get back to y'all. I check my comments. I check the comments all the time, and I try to answer whoever's questions. I try to answer whatever questions to the best of my ability concerning that, and I was a real, well, I still am a real customer with Self Lender. I actually applied for the secured credit card midway through, and I opened up a $200 credit limit with them, the secured credit card. Um, Personally, I do not suggest for I do not suggest the secured credit card with Self Lender, only because they are not a credit card company, bottom line. And you know, if you if you keep your accounts open with Self Lender, you will you will soon get pre-approved credit cards in the mail anyway. So I suggest you and wait till you get a pre-approved credit card in the mail, not pre-qualified, pre-approved. My girl, she got a pre-qualified card in the mail, and she applied for it and got denied. And I told her, not to do that. Don't do that, cause you're not approved. So there's a big difference between pre-qualified and pre-approved. So I just started getting pre-qualified, I mean pre-approved letters in the mail for credit cards. I just got one from Capital One, and I got one from another company. I forget who it was, but the 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 interest rate on it was like 32%. And I was just being hyped when I applied for it. They still gonna run your credit. So, and I got approved for it, but I never activated the card because I didn't like the interest rate. I didn't like the terms, and they charge you $100 a year annual fee, and just cards like that, they're garbage. I would just wait till you get a good how you say it, a good a good offer. I actually just got a good offer from Capital One. They don't charge those kind of fees. So I applied for it, and they did run my credit. They will still run your credit even though you are pre-approved. So I didn't really experience a credit drop like it's a substantial one. My credit score did drop like 3 points on one on one of my credit bureaus, and I think that was only due to a debt that I already have on there. I don't think it was because of the credit card. So, and it actually went up 1 point on another bureau, and I think that was because of the credit card, because I did get approved for it, when they ran my credit. So just some small tips. If y'all want any more tips, just let me know, man. Comment, subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get up to 1,000 so I can at least start getting paid by YouTube, you know, for my videos. So please subscribe and like and comment. I got my phone number on my profile too. So whatever questions, y'all can text me and let me know what it is. What's up? I'll answer it.